Hey guys, today I just wanted to tell you guys about a few small businesses that I have worked with or that have sent me stuff and that, I want to talk about, I guess. I pretty much just went around my makeup room and my bathroom and found all the small businesses that I really like and want to talk about. So yeah, I thought this would be a good idea as well, in time for Christmas if you guys want to support any small businesses. So let's get into it. I have hair stuck to my lip gloss, gross. Alright, so the first business I'm going to talk about is probably the one I use most. I use this pretty much every single day. And this is Blush Off. You guys know that I've worked with Blush Off for almost a year now. They first reached out start of the year and asked if I wanted to try out their products, and I've been hooked ever since. My mum tried them and she's hooked as well. Blush Off is just such a awesome idea pretty much. So what it is it's a reusable makeup remover pad, and it works so well. I've tried other ones in the past and I just didn't really like them. I feel like they didn't really do a very good job, but these are amazing. I love it so much. My black one that I have and also my shampoo are up in my bathroom because I just use them. I bought them down here for this video a few days ago and had to take them straight back up because I use them every single day. So yeah, but yeah, pretty much Blush Off is a reusable makeup pad. So it's awesome to think about the fact that I've had mine since February, so that means I haven't really used a makeup wipe to take off my makeup since February, which I'm sure you guys could imagine would save thousands of makeup wipes. They're just such a good idea. Blush Off also comes with a shampoo cleanser which you can use in between big thorough washes, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I just really love Blush Off. I really recommend checking out their page if you want to get yourself some makeup removers. They also sell other things as well. They sell beauty blenders, scrunchies, eyewear. They sell these beautiful silk scrunchies, and I wear my silk scrunchie every single night to bed because it's so just gentle on the hair and so comfortable to sleep in. So yeah, I use my silk scrunchie every single night. It's in my bedside table at the moment. They have recently brought out a brush cleaning mat, which was awesome. And they've just got heaps of other stuff. They have headbands, that's it. And I'm just trying to think if there's anything else that they make. They just have a bunch of cool stuff. So yeah, if you want to check them out, definitely do that. Yeah, so that is Blush Off. I'll leave all of these brands and companies linked below, by the way. Yeah, that is the first one, and yeah, I do love Blush Off. By the way, for small business, the way I'm kind of doing it is I'm going by followers off Instagram. I know that's probably not followers on Instagram doesn't really say much. You could have 1 million followers and get no sales. You could have 1,000 followers and get 1,000 sales. So it kind of I know that it doesn't 100% guarantee that, I don't know, do you guys know what I mean? This is, I just had to think of a way to gauge it, and this is mine. I'm just doing it off any brands that have under 100,000 followers on Instagram. That's the way I'm doing it. So next, I really want to talk about Royal Essence. I love Royal Essence. I actually reached out to them after I saw their products and I was like, oh my god, your products are so cool, would you like to work together? And they've been awesome. They've sent me a number of free things. They're just always so lovely and always willing to collab, and yeah, anytime I reach out to them and ask them for stuff, they're always so lovely about it. And yeah, so I just want to first off say a huge thank you to Royal Essence for always working with me. But yeah, I just also want to talk about them a bit. So they make, their whole brand is focused around their surprise jewelry, which is so awesome. So pretty much they make candles, bath bombs, body scrubs, whipped soaps, all that kind of stuff, and they all have a surprise jewelry inside, a jewelry surprise inside, and then when you find your jewelry, it comes with a little code. You enter it on their website and you find out how much it's worth. It's so awesome. I really love the idea and I really love the brand. It's awesome. So this here is one of their whipped soaps. This one is Mango Sunshine and it smells amazing. I don't know if you guys can see, but that little thing, it's red but it looks black on camera, that is the ring. So I'm so close, so I need to take this back upstairs and finish it. This has lasted me months, honestly. This is the first thing they sent me, and yeah, I it's lasted me months. But not only is it awesome that it comes with the jewelry, but their products are so amazing as well. I love this whip soap is so good. I have another one upstairs that I bought. I've got a couple bath crumbles upstairs that I bought. I've got heaps of their candles. This is another one that they sent me recently. This is the Mermaid Kisses soy candle, which, like, they're just so generous, honestly. Like, I think this is the second candle that they've sent me, which is just, like, amazing. Like, it smells so good, so beautiful, and, like, look how gorgeous the jar is. At the moment, they are also doing an advent calendar, so I feel like that is the perfect Christmas gift, or, you know, if you want to treat yourself, because... But yeah, they do an advent calendar that comes with 12 mini candles, which look like this, and inside one of these candles is a jewelry surprise. I don't know which one it is, so I need to burn all of them before I find out. But yeah, so I love Royal Essence. Royal Essence is amazing, and yeah, I definitely recommend checking them out. Next, I just need to talk about this brand because I am just so blown away by how much I love this candle. I haven't lit it yet, but just the way this smells is so amazing. This is the brand called Indie Flames, and they sent me over this candy cloud candle, and it says the notes are marshmallow, musk, and vanilla. And this smells like, oh my god, I just, every time, like, it's been sitting on my makeup desk for the last week, like, because I got everything and, like, set it on my desk ready to film this video, and every time I sit down it smells so good. I love it so much. It's amazing. Like, it is so amazing. So yeah, definitely check out Indie Flames if you want to pick yourself up some cool candles. And also the jar is just so beautiful. They're woodwick. I think they're soy. I can't see anywhere, but I'm sure they would have all that information on their website anyway. But yeah, I really love Indie Flames. What is next here? Oh, Hey Bud is another brand that I really want to talk about. I started working with Hey Bud last year. They sent me their hemp mask and I fell in love. This is what mine looks like at the moment. It's almost used up, and they sent me a new one the other day, which was so lovely of them. So this is how it looks here. I love this mask so much. It is so good. And they recently came out with a moisturizer, which they sent me as well. I am so impressed by this moisturizer. This is the Australian Hemp Facial Moisturizer, and I don't know, like, it's hard. Moisturizers are really, it's one skincare product that I'm super picky about because I need a certain feel. I need a certain, like, I don't know, like, moisture, like, I need it to not be sticky. I need it to feel a certain way. I need it to look a certain way. Like, I don't know. I'm just really picky about my moisturizer, and I really love this one. The thing that I noticed about it was that it did not sit on top of the skin at all. It just sunk straight in, which is amazing. I cannot stand a moisturizer that sits on top of the skin and makes your skin sticky. It makes me feel disgusting. It has absolutely no smell, no fragrance. It's just so good because you guys know, like, if you're sensitive, like, you know, you don't want heaps of fragrance in your skincare. So yeah, they've also got a hemp facial oil, which I haven't tried, but that recently came out as well. So yeah, you should definitely check out Hey Bud if you want to get some cool skincare. Couldn't recommend these two products highly enough. I love them so much. And then my second last brand to talk about today is the Lucid Skincare. They sent me over this is their hydrating serum, and I also have their moisturizer upstairs. I love this. This serum is really nice. It just feels so, like, hydrating. Just really nice. It, you know, when sometimes you put skincare on and you're like, oh, okay, cool. And then there's other times where you put skincare on and you're like, oh my god, I can actually feel this doing something. Like, that's what this was like. It was just, like, literally it felt like I was, like, putting an IV of hydration into my skin. I don't know how to describe it. It's really good though. So yeah, Lucid Skincare, I really like this. I haven't actually tried out the moisturizer yet, but I'll let you guys know my thoughts when I do. I always do, like, skincare first impressions and stuff. But yeah, as for the hydrating serum, I love it. And yeah, I think this brand is really cool. Something that really stuck out to me when I got this package from this brand, they send out Beyond Blue cards with all of their parcels, which I just think is so beautiful. You never know who's going to open that and really need it at that time. So yeah, like, in your parcel you get a little Beyond Blue card, and I just think that is just, like, it's so weird. It's something that, like, doesn't seem, like important until it happens, and then you're like, oh my god, like you're like, that could literally save a life. Like you never know what someone's going through, and like getting that in their parcel could just, you know, save their life, save the, you know, the day. I've got an eyelash, so I can see it. But yeah, I think that's awesome. They also have an incentive, I can't exactly remember, but I know that if you buy something on their website, a amount of it goes to Beyond Blue, I think, but I can't really remember. I'm 100% sure, so you'll have to look into that if you want to know. But yeah, they just seem like an all-round amazing company. I just feel like you can tell when a brand really cares, and yeah, I just really like this. This one also says it's Australian made, 100% vegan, and it's cruelty free, which is awesome. So yeah. Oh, here we go. It's right on the bottle. I'm so silly. $1 from every Lucid Skincare product will go straight to an Australian charity supporting mental health. That is awesome, guys. Like $1 from every product. Like that is amazing. And I'm pretty sure it's from every product, not from every sale. So it's not like if you buy 3 things, $1 will go. It's like if you buy 3 things, $3 will go. Which I just think that is amazing. Like that is such a cool incentive, and like just such a, I don't know, like it's not just like a promotional thing, I guess. Like, you know how sometimes brands do it like every, I don't know, like in a certain month or like for a week or something, like, which is awesome as well, don't get me wrong, but like just the fact that they do that literally through the entirety of their brand, I think that is amazing. I love that. That's so good. Alright, one last brand to talk about. Sophies Bath Creations. So this is actually from my hometown in Tasmania, which is awesome. So Sophies Bath Creations sent me a package because I was getting lots of, it was when I was going through all the fake account stuff, and they just said that they felt bad that I'd been having so much trouble, and they wanted to send me a package, which I just thought was the most beautiful thing. Like that is just so sweet. But I just couldn't believe how like talented, like how is this handmade? Like that is just so cool, like, you know. Anyway, so yeah, Sophies Bath Creations makes like heaps of cool like bath bombs, soaps, just so many bath products. So yeah, definitely go check them out if you want to. But yeah, no, I was so impressed when I saw them. Like it just really, like, it trips me out so much that people are so creative, and like, how can you do that? Like I just don't get it. But anyway, so yeah, I just wanted to say thank you so much to Sophies Bath Creations for sending those over once again. But also like, yeah, like go check them out. They make some really cool stuff, and it's all handmade, which I just think is like, it really does blow my mind. But yeah, that is my some of the small brands for now. If you have sent me stuff in the past and didn't see yourself on this video, please don't stress, because I do still have a few other brands that I do want to talk about. And also, if you are a small brand watching this video and you would like to be in one of these videos, definitely let me know. Like message me on Instagram or send me an email. I'm more likely to reply to my emails just because there are less of them. I get a lot of DMs but don't get as many emails, so if you want me to 110% see it, email me. My email is sojobeauty@hotmail.com. But yeah, any small brands that would like to be featured in the video, let me know. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!